So in this video, I will demonstrate how SQL injection works on the Altoro Brutal website and explain its impact on web security. So first, punta tayo sa Altoro website. No? So, Altoro Brutal. Yeah. Data. So, Altoro Mutual login form processes user input like this, guys. No? So, makikita natin dito sa ating SQL, no, may dollar sign username. So, ganyan yung mga karaniwang nakikita natin sa SQL. So, gamitin natin siya para makapasok tayo doon sa website na to is gamitin natin siya ng payload SQL injection attack. So, gamitin natin itong email na to. Then, sa password niya is anything kahit ano na. Para mapasok natin. Ito yung tinatawag na payload. No? Payload SQL injection attack. So, kaya napasok na natin. Tapos kapag pagkalagin mo guys is the SQL become this like this, no? Yung kanina ganito siya, pero pagkalagin mo na magiging ganito na siya. Yan. Or 1 is equal to 1 and password is anything. Since 1 is equal to 1 is always true, the attacker bypass authentication and logs in as an existing users of an administration. So para ma-prevent natin to is sa PHP or may SQLite natin is gagamitin natin tong code na to sa ating PHP, guys. So select from users where username question mark siya, guys, na nakikita nyo question mark na dito, since sa pag-login natin nung una is ano siya 1 is equal to 1 siya. So yan. So bakit natin nilagay itong question mark na to, guys, is kasi treated as data siya, not executable as SQL code. So yan. Thank you, guys.